As you can see here, I've started the removal of the old stove. Remove the microwave. Look at this. That's what was behind there. That's ugly. Yep, gotta get this thing out of here. Gotta clean up a little bit of that. Looks like a little pizza flour and a little bit of everything else back there. So, yeah, I'm gonna get this out of here, and the new stove and microwave is on the way. I did cook that other ricotta mushroom truffle pizza last night. That was the last thing ever cooked in this oven. Got the stove moved out. The microwave is out. Well, the microwave's in the basement. But yeah, quite the ugly little part of the house. Delivery guys should be here any minute. Look at the road. Frozen. There she is. You're looking at the new Samsung oven and microwave oven. Pretty happy. Now instruction says I have to clean this out and run it for an hour at 400 degrees. I did wipe it out already. I didn't really clean it. I ain't gonna put no oven cleaner in it. So I will heat it up till 400 and let it operate for an hour. They say it's gonna give off some off smells. The clock is not set. I don't see any buttons to set the clock, but I'll figure it out. It's called instructions. Pretty simple. Now I got Samsung refrigerator and the Samsung stove. Pretty nice. Drawers down there is kind of narrow. I was wondering if this oven was going to be a whole lot bigger than the old one. About the same. I'm liking it. The only thing that's been prepared in either of these is the microwave. I did some hot water, made some tea. Gonna do something in the oven in a little while. That'll be another video. Until next time, please subscribe. Help me out. Give me a hand. So until next time, God bless. I'm out.